In this video, we will show you how to use Worldremit to send money to the Philippines. If you guys want to get started with Worldremit, you can use the links down in the description. First, download the Worldremit app or visit their website. Now sign up for an account using your email address and set up a secure password. Then upload the required documents such as a valid ID and proof of address. This helps with security and regulatory compliance. Now select Send Money and choose Philippines as the recipient country. Here, decide whether you want to send money for cash pickup, bank deposit, mobile airtime top-up, or airtime credit. After that, input the amount you wish to send and the recipient's details like bank account information for deposits or mobile number for airtime. Then review the transfer fee and exchange rate before confirming. Now pay for the transfer using a bank account, debit, or credit card. Here, track the status of your transfer through the app or website until it's completed. So that's how to use Worldremit to send money to the Philippines. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Worldremit. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. By that being said, I'll see you in the next video.